lovies, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of year again where fall is coming up, my favorite time of the year. So I of course have to decorate for fall. So what I'm going to do is try and declutter and reorganize all the bottom cabinets and try to get those big appliances off the countertop and try to fit them in the cabinets. That way the countertop is clear and I have more space to put my decorations. My next video will be a fall clean and decorate with me, and this is long overdue. As you can see, there's dust in there. I don't know where all this dust come from, but it needs a good wipe down and cleaning. So these are the before shots, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
here, thank you so much for being here. My name is Sarisha, and I upload a cleaning video every Saturday 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on Tuesdays I upload a shop with me on either 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then on Thursday I have a bonus video, or Friday, for you guys. So my next cleaning video will be a fall cleaning decorate with me, and that will be uploaded on Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So stick around for that. I am so excited. I absolutely love fall. I love Christmas and Christmas decoration, but fall, the weather, the leaves, the trees, everything about fall is just amazing to me. And I do, let me just put it in there. My crock pot needs a good deep clean, but we're just taking it one day at a time. I mean, life happens. I'll get to it. That's on my to-do list for sure. But it definitely needs cleaning. I see that and I acknowledge it, and it is on my to-do list. This cabinet is my problem cabinet. I did this before, but we accumulated more stuff, so I had to rearrange it because these things just didn't fit with all the stuff that we had. So I just had to rearrange some stuff. However, this is going to be how it's going to remain from now, unless we accumulate more stuff. But hopefully it'll stay this. Also, next on my to-do list is tackling the upper cabinet. So I am extremely pleased with how everything turned out. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Share this video with a friend or family who might enjoy it. And until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and if I bless you, I love you all, and thank you so much for being here. Y'all hear me?
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.